Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach how to make the milk shop inventory system using Java and MySQL. Now here, first what I am going to do is here, I already opened the NetBeans ID. Here go to the file, new project, select Java with Java application, click next. Here if it is check create main class, we have to uncheck it. Here I am going to create the project name as milk inventory. Okay, so I am going to create milk inventory, right? So click finish. Right, now your project has been created successfully with the name of milk inventory. Now here there will be the two folders available, source package and libraries. Select the library source package. Here there will be the default packages there, so select the source package again. I am going to create the new package. Right click, new Java package. I am going to create here as milk. I just give the name as milk, right? You can give milk in inventory, it possible, no problem. You can give any name as a package name, right? After the your new package has been created successfully, after select the package, right click, new. Here you have to create the form as here write milk, Right. Now here your Java form has been created successfully. Here I am going to create the inventory system here. I am going to design here. So I am going to increase the form little bit. Right. Now first I am going to write the heading here. So let's go to the palette and drag one panel from the palette and here. Right. Now here we have to align look like this. Now here what I am going to do is select this panel, right click, properties. We have to give the background color first. Here there will be the property called background. Select here and give the color as this color. Perfect. Right. Okay. Now here I am going to give the write the text here. So let's get the label from the palette and right click, edit text. Here I am going to write here is milk shop pos. I am going to write as a milk shop inventory system. Right, milk shop inventory system. Select this one, right click, properties. I am going to increase the size of the font little bit, so with bold. Here I am going to increase as 36. Let's increase as 24 is enough for me, right? Here. If you want to change the color of the font, you will be able to change here. If you want to increase the voice little bit bigger, let's give the custom size as 30. Click OK. Now foreground color I am going to change it as white. Click OK. Close it. Perfect. Right. Now let's run the application and check. So select the form, right click, properties, click code, generate center, close it. Now if you run it generate at the center, look like this. Perfect. Right. Now what I am going to do is here, let's close the form. Right. Now here I am going to design the form here. So first I am going to get the one panel again from the palette, drag here. This one I am going to right click, properties, border style. I am going to make it as this. Title you can give, otherwise I am going to get this one, soft bevel border. Right, it is perfect. Right. Now here what I am going to do is I am drag to label. We have get the checkboxes. We need only these are the favors available, milk favors available, 5 favors available. So we have to put it like this, right? So we have to write 5. We need 5 checkbox control. One is I drag it. We have drag 2, 3, 4. This one should be 5. Sorry, not this. This one should be 5. Right, perfect. Now what I am going to do is here. You have to decrease the size little bit. Select the checkbox. Right click. Edit text. Here we have to write here is first one should be the this one, strawberry milk. Select, copy, right click, edit text, we have to control V to paste here, control C to copy and control V to paste. It's simple. Here right click, edit text. Here what I am going to do is here, go back to and select this text. Okay, you have to write the text. Okay, I just copy and paste it because it's take too much time if I write all the stuff. So control C to copy. Here right click, edit text, control V to paste here. Right, let's back here. This control C to copy vanilla milk, control C to copy. Select this one, right click, edit text, control V to paste here. After that, this one, control C to copy chocolate milk. Right click, edit, control V to paste here. Right. After that, go here. Select this one, control C to copy, select this one, right click, edit text, control V to paste here. Right, perfect. Right, simple. Now what I am going to do is here, select this all checkboxes, hold on to the control key down and select all the stuff. Right, if you select, you can see the around the yellow line there here. Right. Now here, go to the property window. There will be a font. You have to increase the size as with bold to 12 is enough, right? 12 is enough, right? Perfect, right? This is look perfect, look like this, right? Okay, this is the thing you have to do first, right? After that, what I am going to do is here, you have to write again another stuff is here. We have to enter the price here. So quantity here, you have to select the quantity and price. So here, price I am going to give as a code. So quantity you have to check it here. How many quantity you need here, right? So here you have to drag one, this one, snipper tool we have as the like this one, right? You have to drag this one. Simply you have to easily you have to select the quantity here, right? The simple tool, right? So the same thing you have to get in again and copy and paste. You have to paste it like this, right? Second one. Simply you have this one, control C to copy, control V to paste here and get the copy again. This copy, get the copy. After that, control C to copy, control V to paste, get the copy again. Control C to copy, control V to paste here. Right. You have to easily get the copy look like this. Simple. Right. Very simple. You have to select the strawberry milk, how many quantity you need. You will be able to order here. Right. Very simple. After that, what I am going to do is here. You have to drag one J table. You have to drag one J table, right? So let's back to my palette. Here drag one J table, fix it here, right? Here click on this one, table contents, row, select this one, delete, select, delete, select, delete, select, delete. Here columns you have to give here as first one should be product name. Second one should be price. Third one should be quantity. This one should be total. Right, perfect. Perfectly done. Right. Now let's see. Let me here we have to reduce the size of the J table look like this. Right. Now here we have to get the subtotal and subtotal everything. So here we have to do this thing is here we have to simply drag three labels. Simply drag three labels. This one should be click edit text. This one should be total subtotal. This one should be pay. This one should be balance. Right. Now here we drag three text box control here. First one, this one. Second text box. Third one. Right. Very simple one. Right. We made it. Okay. Perfect. Right. If you select this one, hold on the control down key and select this one. Simply you have to increase the size of that one. Simply bold width 12. If you select this one, it is selected. Right, perfect. Right. Now what I am going to do is here, select this J table one, right click, edit text, backspace to remove the existing text. This one select, right click, backspace to remove the existing text. Delete this one, edit text, backspace, remove the existing text. Right. Now we need two buttons here. We simply we have to do the buttons here. We drag this one should be, this button should be add. Select the button, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Get another button. This one you have to name it as. This one we have to name it as print invoice. Print invoice. You have to generate the invoice if you click this button, print invoice button. Right, that's a simple thing you have to do. Right, very simple one. You have to do like this. Right, okay, perfect. Okay, done. We done successfully. Now let's run and check the design whether it's working fine. Here, this look nice design. We got it. Right, perfect. Now what I am going to do is here, we have to write here is simply we have to write the code. Right, first we have to make this one as a give the name, separate name. So first select this one checkbox, change variable. You have to select this one chk1, checkbox 1. This one you can give any name here. I give this one as a chk2. You have to give the system name here, chk2. Right, when you do the validation part, this is the important stuff. Right, you have to give the names. Third one should be chk3. Fourth one should be chk4. This one should be chk5. chk5. Right, name is must. Right, here we have to give the quantity. Quantity also we have to give here as first one should be quantity we have to give as txt, give as txt1, the separate name txt1. This one should be txt2. This one should be txt3. This one should be txt4. This one should be txt5. Right, give txt5. Simply give the name successful. Right. After that, what I am going to do is here. This is here text box. We have to change the name. Right, change variable txt sub. This one txt pay. This one txt bell. You right. We have to change the name successfully. Now what I am going to do is here. First I am going to do the validation. So select the add button. Right click. Event action perform. Right. First I am going to write the code here. First what I am going to do is here. We have simply we have to, this is all the form design. We have to write. First what I am going to do is here. We have to do the first step is we have to write here is we have to add the simply we have to add this one as a default table model. Right, default you have to write default table model. We have to write the table model. We have to write this one model. We have to create the object as model new. This one also Control C to copy. We have to write here is a Control V to paste here. Right, default table model. Right, perfect. Right, we have to add the namespaces here. Java showing. Right, this one. Right, very simple. After that, what I am going to do is here. Inside this button, we have to write the validation part. Very important stuff. First, we have to write int sum equals 0. We have to write like this. After that, we have to write here is we have to make the validation part if chk1 mean this one should be strawberry. Right, strawberry milk. Right, strawberry milk. That one should be the strawberry milk. But is selected. So that is selected. This one should be you have to write the property is selected. Is selected. This one is selected. If it is check this property, what I am going to do is here. We have to write the needful thing is first we have to write the string variable string. What is the thing is strawberry. This one strawberry. This one should be the appropriate one to strawberry. Control C copy. Control V paste here. This one strawberry milk. Right, strawberry. Favor should be strawberry. Okay. So strawberry. We have to write the strawberry variable here. Here first we have to write chk1 dot getText. Right. Okay, if you select check this one, what is the text there? It is assigned to the variable strawberry. Right. That's the thing. First do it. Second one, what I am going to do is here. I am going to create second one is this one. You have to write is price. So you have to write int, you have to write the price. You have simply you have to write here int price. Okay, you have to write the price, right? Here you have to input the price here. Second one should be price, right? Int price equal strawberry price equal, you have to give us here is we have to write 100 price, right? Perfect. After that you have to write price, control C to copy, control V to paste price, right? Perfect. Right. So here we have to already give the data type here, we have to remove it here, right? Perfect. After that what I am going to do, third one should be the quantity. Quantity we have to select from here. So what I am going to do is, what is the name here? You have to give here txt1. So you have to write here, you have to write here as you have to write int quantity. This also you have to write int quantity. After that you have to write int tot equal 0, right? You have to write like this, int 0, right? After that quantity, you have to get the variable here quantity. We have to write here txt1 dot get value dot toString, because this is a snipper tool, so that you have to write like here. What I am going to do is here we have to convert this one, so we have to write integer dot parse it. So you have to write here is integer dot parse it. You have to write this one, you have to convert this one, because this is a integer, so that we have to convert this one, right? So we have to convert, so that okay. So after that we have to write as a total. So total, we have to calculate the total. So how to calculate the total is, you have to write, already we declared a variable above, get a variable tot equal price multiplied by quantity. You have to write like this. This is a thing you have to write. After that what I am going to do is here, after done these things, right, after that what I am going to do is here, this is a model, we have to call it here model equal, we have to write here inside here default model, this one, right? Control C to copy, control V to paste here. You have to write here JTable1, because this is the name of the table, JTable. JTable1 means here this is JTable1, right? You no need to change the name, because there should be only one JTable available. So you have to keep default one, right? So get model, right? Get model, right? After that what I am going to do, you have to write model dot addRow. You have to write the addRow function here. Here we have to write new object. You have to create the array here. You have to write here is open and close bracket here, right? Here you have to get it here. You have to press enter key. You have to get it here, right? Here we have to write the things is, first we have to add the things is this one, strawberry, control C to copy, control V to paste here. What you are selected strawberry, it should be added this variable. If you have checked this one, it's assigned to this variable, strawberry. After that second one should be added into the table. First one product name, second one price, third one quantity, fourth this one total, right? So price, control C to copy, control V to paste here, comma, this one, control C to copy, control V to paste here, quantity. After that total, what is the total should be here, control C to copy, control V to paste here, right? That's the thing we have to do here, right? After that what I am going to do is here, let me check whether it's working fine or not. Click, check this one, click add button here, it successfully added the table, it's successfully calculated, right? Perfect. Now what I am going to do is here, the same thing, I get the copy. Instead of the writing again by again, we get the copy, right? So the same if, control C to copy, control V to paste here. Here we are not going to do the else if. So because we have selected the more than one item here from this checkbox, so that no need to use else part, right? We have to consider only the if part only, okay? Because we have to select more than one item. So here second one should be, this is the first if. Second if we have to change this one as a we have to change second one is a mango milk. So variable mango, control C to copy, control V paste here, I'm going to get it here. This one should be checkbox 2, this one should be 2, this one should be mango, right? Price I am going to put as here 80, quantity is 2, this one the txt 2, okay, this one should be 2, belongs to 2, okay, right? After the JTable, right, that's all the stuff are same, no problem. Here you have to change only thing mango, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste here, right, that's the only thing you have to change, right. After the same thing you have to do the remaining stuff as well, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste here. This one should be 3, this one should be, what is the thing, when you Ctrl C to copy, paste here, right, this one should be 7, right. Third also same, pen one, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste. Fourth one should be Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste here. This one should be 4th, this one 4, 4th one should be chocolate, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste chocolate, this one 4, this one 4, same thing, this one Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste here. After that same thing, get the copy, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste here. This one should be 5, this one should be 5, this one should be 5, this should be 5, here also 5. After that what I am going to do is here we have to final one should be coffee, this one should be coffee, right. Copy this one, go back here, we have to Ctrl V to paste here, here also coffee, right. Here we have to change the price, for here we have to change as 60, right. That's all the stuff for fine, right. Okay, now let's check how it's work. So select the mango 2 quantity, vanilla 1, right. This is a family restaurant. If you go for the family restaurant, select these items, click add button here, so all the items should be calculate and display prices. So all the stuff should be calculated. Now what I am going to do is I am going to go to calculate the subtotal. This all the subtotal should be calculated, right. So what I am going to do is here, so go to the this one, this is if we starting here, close position here. After that I am going to write the another thing is for loop, right. First for loop consists of 3 things. First initial value 0, after that I less than j table 1 dot get row count, after that I plus plus, right. After that what I am going to do is here we have already created the sum variable above, we get the variable here, so write here sum equal sum plus integer dot pass int, here we have to write j table 1 dot get value at, here we have to write I, here position we have to set the position for calculate, right. What is the position we have set is these values I am going to calculate. So starting position should be 0, 1, 2, 3, third position will be total, right, because the j table starting from 0 position, 0, 1, 2, third position is total, right. So you have to give here is 3, right. That's the thing you have to do. After that you have to convert this one as a toString method, right. You have to use the toString method to convert. After that show the total subtotal into this text box which name is txt sub. So go to that here, sub dot set text, here we have to write sum, you have to write integer dot pass int, here we have to write here is simply you have to write perfect. Passing, what's the problem here, right? Not passing, here you have to write integer dot toString, you have to convert, get the dot, right, right, that's it, right. Now let's check how it's working, right. Select this, select mango, vanilla, click add button here, subtotal should be here, display fine. After that what I am going to do is here, if you pay the amount, relevant total balance should be displayed here, right. If you click print invoice button. So what I am going to do is here, first I am going to write the code for the print invoice, right. So here we have to write first, simply first you have to write int sub comma pay comma balance. Right. We have created 3 integer variables. After that, what I am going to do is we have write we have write get the sub equal integer dot pass int. You have write the text box name txt sub dot get text. You have to get the name here. Right. After that, what I am going to do is here same thing, control C to copy, control V to paste here this pay variable, control C to copy, control V to paste here, get the pay variable. Here we have write here txt pay. After the same thing, control C to copy, control V to paste here, this one should be bal. Control C to copy, control V to paste here, this one should be txt bal. Sorry, we no need to balance here, we no need, only we have to, we need sub and total, right? So we have to calculate the balance. So simple you have to write, here you have to write int tot equal, you have to create the total variable equal, sorry you have to write int, we have already created the balance variable above, get the balance variable equal sub, you have to pay balance, pay minus sub, right? You have to calculate like this and you have to get the payment into txt bal dot set text, get here, control C copy, control V to paste here. You have to write here is string dot value of, here you have to write the balance like this, right? You have to write the balance like this. Perfect, right? Now here you can check here. If you pay 200, here balance should be displayed. Perfect. Now what I am going to do is here I am going to write the code for the print invoice button. So first what I am going to do is here I am going to create the database first, right? Database. So let's go to the browser. I have installed the SAM server in my machine. If you are not installed the SAM server for connect the MySQL database, you have to install the SAM server. After install the SAM server, you have to type localhost. You can easily get the SAM server dashboard look like this. Here I am going to create the database. Click on this link php myadmin. It's go here to create the new database. I am going to create the new database as milk, right? Milk system, right? I am going to create milk system. I have to create. Okay. I just give the name as, you can give any name, milk inventory system. I just give the simply milk system, right? First one should be sales. Sales table consists of only ID, subtotal, pay, balance only. So we need 4 columns, right? Sales table, right? First one should be ID. ID should be auto increment part. So here we have to select as primary auto increment. After that, second one should be the subtotal. This one should be the subtotal 11, did type in. After that, pay amount. After that, balance, right? This one should be 11, right? All are integer values, right? Save. After that, I have to create another table, that is a sales product table. So here we have to write the column is right here is product name, this table here, product name, price, quantity, total. 5, 6 column we needed. So we have 6, this one, sorry, 6, 1, 6, sales product, right? Click go. First one should be the ID, the sales product ID 11. This one should be primary with auto incremented, right? Second one should be sales ID. This sales ID is coming from the sales table. That ID should be the same ID should be available in this field. This is the foreign key, right? Sales ID. Second one, after that, product name, voucher. After that, price, quantity. After that, total. These are the columns available in the sales product table. Right. Now let's save it. Right. We successfully saved sales table as well as a sales product table. Successful. Okay. Sales table and sales product table. Now let's back to our NetBeans. Right. Now here we have to write the code for that. So let's go to the source. I am going to create a separate function for that. Right. So you have to give the separate function above. You have to write the separate function above here. This one should be the auto generate code for the buttons, event, all the stuff. You have to switch off to this one. Here we have to write, here is public void sales step. Right. Separate function I am going to create. Right. First, what I am going to do is here, I am going to create the, after the initialization component here, you have to create a connection object. So connection this object you have to create connection object. After that, create the prepare statement object, prepared statement PST. Right. Now you have to select this one. This name says you have to select import the SQL connection. This one should be prepare statement. You have to import SQL prepare statement. Right. So after that, what I am going to do is here, we have to create the another thing is a connection class. Right. We have to create a connection. So we have to write public void connect function. We have to write a connect function. We have to connect the database. Right. So here this one, Control X to cut off, Control E to paste here. Right. We have to connect the database. Right. So in MySQL server, we have to connect with the Java. We need to install the relevant driver. So what I am going to do is here, go to the Google. You have to type here on Google search MySQL connect for Java. Right. If you type, there will be the first link, MySQL download connector. This one. Click on this one. It goes to the relevant site for download. Click second this one, MySQL connector zip file. Right. Click this button. The download has been. It goes to another website for download. Here you don't need to log in or sign up. You just click on this link. No thanks, just start my download. If you click this one, your download has been started. Here I no need to download the driver again. I have to cancel it because I already downloaded the driver here. So I have put into my E drive so that I no need to download again. So I get the driver like this here. MySQL connector for Java here. You can see here. You can check here. Here this one, MySQL connector for Java, right? After downloading, it's come as a zip file. You have to extract them. It's getting as a normal folder. Here, these two files we have to import it into the NetBeans in order to access MySQL connector and Java. So let's back to our project. You have to import the library. So go to the library folder. You have to expand it. Select the library folder. Right click, add jar folder. Here go to the download MySQL connector where you downloaded in E drive. You have to select the file MySQL. So you have to find it this one, right? MySQL connector Java. Okay, it's both, right? Hold on the control key down, select both, open it. It's successfully added here. It's not here. This is not my project. My project is my project. This is different project. I have imported before one, and this one here to import it here. Sorry, this is my project, make inventory. Right here we have to import it. This one. Hold on the control key down, right? It's added the library successfully. Here you can check. File is imported successfully, no problem. Now we can work. Right now after that we have to write here inside the connection function. You have to write class dot phone name. You have to write here you have to register the driver first. So you have to write com dot, you have to register like this, com MySQL dot JDBC dot driver. You have to register the driver like this, right? This is the way you have to register the driver. Here you no need to write the try and catch. It's important automatically in NetBeans. Here surrounded the statement with try and catch. Right. After that, what I am going to do is you have to write you already created the connection object above. You have to get the connection object equal con equal driver manager dot get connection. Right here, first what I'm going to do, you have to specify the URL, username and password. Here URL mean your database is reside on where localhost here, right? This URL you have to provide. How to provide is, you have to write here JDBC colon MySQL. After that you have to write localhost comma, what is the name of the database? You have to write milk system. This is the database, milk system, right? You have to copy this one, control copy. You have to milk system, you have to control V to paste here, milk system, sorry, you have to paste here, control V to paste here, milk system. This is a database, right? After that, this is a username, MySQL, the SAM server username is root, password is should be blank, right? You have to write a blank look like this, right? If you install the Icecream server in your machine for the first time, that your default username is root, password will be blank, right? You can change the username and password as you wish, right? Root and blank, right? Your import here is catch, then SQL exception will be imported here, right? Perfect. This is the way you have to connect. This connection method, control C to copy. After the initial component you have to use it, right? It should work, right? Okay. After that you have to write the code for that inside the sales, sales function, right? What I'm going to do is, first you have to write a string query, write a query here, query equal, you have to write the insert this. First I have to insert the record into the sales table. So insert into which table I am going to write the record, insert sales table. Here you have to write, specify the columns names correctly. If you are not remember, you go to the database, you have to select the sales, you can find the name of it. This is the same name you have to enter here, otherwise it won't work. So you have to write, first one should be subtotal. ID is auto increment, we no need to do here, we only do the remaining stuff. Subtotal, pay, balance, so balance, these three variables, right? The same name you have to give here, success. After that you have to write the prepare statement, values, you have to write here is three things. It's a prepare statement, question mark, right? Perfect. After that what I am going to do is here, we have to write the prepare statement object PST equal, you have to write PST equal con dot you have to write prepare statement. Prepare statement, you have to write, first one should be the query. This query you have to write here. After that you have to write here is statement dot, you write here return generate keys. Return generate keys, you have to write like this. Perfect. Return generate keys, right? Now here what is the problem is, you have to import the try catch. So you have to control X to cut off this one, control V to paste inside here. That's the problem. Perfect. Okay, now it's working perfect. After that what I am going to do is generate here, because I am going to find the last inside ID, so that we have to write the return keys, right? After that we have to write here, what I am going to do is, you have to write a PST dot set string. So right here is PST dot set string. First one should be we have to equal into the fields, right? First we have to write here string variable, we have to define the string variables here, string sub equal txt sub dot getX. What is the value you display on the subtext, right? It is assigned to the variable sub. The same thing, control C to copy, control V to paste, right? Here we no need to declare the integer variable, because we are not going to calculate anything else. We have to just add the value into the database only, so that we have to write here. Second should be pay, this one should be txt pay. After that balance, so this one should be balance, so balance, okay, balance, so this one should be balance, BAL, right? Now here this one, first one sub, control C to copy, control V to paste here. Second one the same thing, control C to copy, control V to paste here, right? Now here what I am going to do is, second one should be pay, control C to copy, control V to paste here. Third one should be balance, control C to copy, control V to paste here, right? It's added, go here, relevant question marks is added these fields right here. After that, finally we have to write here is pst dot execute update. If you call this function execute update, it's added the database field execute update. Here is one execute update. You select from the list execute update. Right, that's it. After that, we have to write the another thing is that we have to write result set object or result set. You have to create as rs equal prepare statement. Here you have to write a import the package result set. Right, you have to write a set this one. This should be capital. That's why here import the result set. After that, what I am write pst dot get generate keys. You have to generate the keys. Right. After that, what I am going to do is here you have to write if rs dot next. Here you have to write the last insert id above int last id equals 0. I am going to get the last insert id here. So you write last id equal this rs dot get int 1. That's why this is how we have to get the last insert id. It's shown in the variable last insert id. Right. That's the thing we have to do. After that, we have to enter the int rows equal j table 1 dot get row count. After that, you have to write string query 1. This is one first query. Second query I am going to write equal 1. You have to write here insert into cal product. You have to write here thing is what is the table name, not cal product. Table name is sales product. The sales product. What are the columns available? Sales ID, comma sales ID, comma fraud name, price, quantity. PROD fraud name, price, quantity, total. You can check here. Right. After that, values. You have to write how many question mark. You have to 5. You have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. Perfect. After that, what I am going to do is here. You have to you have to create another prepare statement object. Control C to copy. Control V to paste below. This one should be 1. We have to create here pst1 equal con dot prepare statement. Here we have to write this query. Control C to copy, Control V to paste this query. Right, perfect. After that, you have to write create the variable string. First one should be product name. PROD name. Product name. Write like this. Create the variables. After that, price, all are string. Price, quantity. Finally, int total equals 0. These values we are going to store in the table, right? So what I am going to see, we have to write a for loop. We have to save the all table values. This is not this is all table values. So we have to write a for loop for int I equal 0. After that, I less than j table 1 dot get row count I plus plus. After that we have write here is we have write after that we have add the records into a database. So simply we have write here P this name, product name, right? So product name, get it the variable here equal, you have write here is string, this one should be a data type string JTable1 dot get value at I0 position. What is the mean 0 position listed? So control C copy, control V to paste here, right. Second one price, control C to copy, control V to paste here. This one should be position 1. Quantity, control C to copy, control V to paste here. 2. After that total, control C to copy, control V to paste here. This one should be int. Here we have to write position 3. That's it. That's the thing you have to do. Right. That's the thing. That's the only thing we have to do. After that, what I am going to do is here. You have to write the prepare statement to insert the record. Right. So PST. This one should be the prepare statement 1. Right. So PST1 control C copy control paste here. Dot set. First one should be int. Because the first one should be the last insert ID is last insert ID, control C copy control V to paste here. Second one should be this is store as a sales ID. After that control C to copy control V to paste here, we have to get it all the stuff. Second one price, product name, control C to copy control V to paste here. This one should be set string. After that this one should be 2, this one 3, 4, 5. So set string, control C to copy control V to paste here. So third one should be price, control C to copy, control V to paste here, this one. After that total, control C to copy, control V to paste here. This one should be int, so set int, control C to copy, control V to paste here. Right. Here, if it is integer data type, you have to make it as int. If it is string, you have to make it as string. Right. And the last integer ID should be this one. Right. So that is set it like this. Simply, we have to write finally we have to write it here. PST1 dot execute update. Right. Finally, you have to write pst.add batch. You have to write here j option pan dot show message dialog. You have to write this. You have to write here is sales completed. You have to write the message completed. Perfect. That's the thing you have to write. Now let's check whether it's working fine or not. Right. Click. It's added successfully. If you pay, right. The problem is here we needn't call this function. Control C to copy. Here this function you have to paste it here. Right. This button, invoice button. This one is to quantity. Click add button. Here you have to pay, willing to pay 400. Click on invoice. What's the problem here? Java, the problem is here. Price string JTable1. Price string. Here what was the problem is, here the price we have to change this one as a int. That was the problem. The data type is the problem. When you are adding the database, we all of things are set into the int. Here this all things we have set into here int. That will be the problem here. That's why it's not allowed to add the database, right? So you have to change this all the things as a int. So here also simply int. This control C copy, control V paste here, paste here. Right. That's the thing we have to do. Right. Product name also string. Only string and other stuff, all the stuff are int. Here also int. Control C to copy, control V to paste. All the things are int. That's the problem. Right. Now let's check, right? We have to change the set string, all the things to the int. Okay, keep only product name. This is string because we have to product name. We have to put as a string type. Gotcha. Right. That's the problem. Now let's again add the data into the database. Right. Run. Order strawberry one, mango flavor one, vanilla flavor one. Click add button. Pay the bill 300. Click print invoice. Sales completed successfully. Now let's back to our database. You can check here. It's working fine here. Sales ID 4. These are the things. Recording here. This is total here. 34. It's successfully. But here the total should be added twice here. Here this one same thing added twice. The problem is here we have to the PST add batch. We have to remove it. This field. That's the problem I think. Right. Now let's again we are going to add the records. Check it. This one you have to check it. Click add button. You have to pay. Click invoice. Right. Now let's check. This one sales right. Right. Sales product. Here now it's working fine. Right. It's working fine here. It's working fine. 6 strawberry and milk. It's added successfully. Right. It's added successfully. Okay. Okay. Now what I am going to do is here, I am going to do the another stuff is the generate reports. I am going to do the stuff, right? How to do the generate report is, I am going to create this crystal report. Sorry, Jasper report. So how to do the Jasper report is, first you have to go to the Google, and here you have to download the relevant jar file. So you have to write here Jasper report report jar downloaded. You have to type on Google. It goes to the links for downloaded. I recommend you have to download this one. Download Jasper report this. Okay. If you click on this one, it goes to the relevant website for downloaded. Here click downloaded. You can download all the relevant jar files. So I no need to download again. I already downloaded. So that is in my E drive. Here this is at my E drive. The jar files. Here these are the jar files. See, these are all jar files we have to add it into our library. So select the libraries, your project libraries, right click, add jar folder, go to the jar where you download jar files. This one. Select all jar files. Hold on the shift key down and select all, open it. This all is added to your library successfully. After added, you have to build it. Build project. You have to clean and build it. It's built it, right? Here, so all the jar files should be built at here, right? That's the thing we have to do, right? Perfect. It's built it successfully. Now what I am going to do is here, I am going to create a Jasper report design. It's very simple. Select this one, source package. This one. Select this one. Here we have to right click, Jasper report wizard. Next. Here we have to generate the connection. New. Database JDBC connection. Next, here we have to write here is milk. Give the name as milk. Here your JDBC connection you have to select as your registered driver, Mysql driver. You have to specify the database name. What is the database name? Milk. What's the name you have to give? Milk. You have to give the name correctly. Milk system. The same name you have to give here. Otherwise it won't work. Copy. Back to here you have to paste it. Control V to paste here. Milk shop, right? Milk shop, right? This is the location. MySQL username is root. Password should be blank. Test, right? It's a connection test a success. Now it save it. Now design query. You have to relevant 2 tables will be loaded inside this database. So first one I am going to get it here. Sales product only, not sales. Double click and open it. This table now. Click OK. Later on we have to do this one. Click next. Next, here all field we needed. Next, finish. You have successfully created the new report. What's the problem? Unable to create the report. What's the problem? Right here. Let's do again. Right click. Result. Right blank. This one A4 we have selected. This one milk is connected successfully. Double click on the product. Next. all important. Next, finish. Right, now it's created. Finish it. Right, okay, problem is over. Now what I am going to do is, this is a blank report. What I am going to do is select this one here. I am going to page format. I am going to select this here as custom one for terminal printer. So here write 80 and for terminal printer receipt. Right, this will look like this. So here write this one should be also meter. Okay, perfect. Now here click OK. Right, this is the receipt size. You have to zoom in, look like this. Zoom in like this. After that, what I am going to do is here. I am going to go to do this thing is here. First, I am going to create the title. Drag one static text over here. This one you have to name it as. You double click. Now here we have to add the heading milk shop. Right, milk shop. Right. Okay. Now if you want to increase the font size, you will be able to increase as this one should be 60 size you have to increase. Right. So you have to increase like this, simple. Right. If you want, you can change the font here, no problem. With you have to select as bold. Right. Perfect. Okay. After that, we have to this page header we no needed. After that, we have to column header we needed. So here what I am going to do is see column header and details. We have to do here is column header. We have to first one we have to go to the receipt inspector. Here we have go to the fields. All the relevant should be there. Details should be. First you have to get in this product name. You have to drag here. Right. This one you have to double click on. This one should be product name. You have to change it as header product name. Right. Perfect. This one you have to change it as a size is 8 or 7 here because 7 is nice. Right. This one should be here 7 is 7. Okay, perfect. You have to reduce the size of this one. Simply you have to reduce the size. Use the arrow key. Keyboard up and left, right arrow key and Ajax this one. The same thing you have to do here is as well. The size you have to arrange look like this. Right, simply you have to arrange look like this. Right, simply you have to do this. After that, what I am going to do is here you have to write second one should be there. This one product name. After that, you have to second one you have to direct as a price. You have to drag here. If it is not coming there, the heading is not coming. You no problem. You have to get the text and static text and write it. Price, select this one 807. You have to select this one. You have to put it like this. You have to arrange like this one. Also you have to change this one as a 7. The center key. You have to simply adjust things look like this. After that, quantity, price quantity. So go to the result inspector. Quantity. This one should be the quantity. So here you no need to here you have to change it. This F mean the value is displaying, right? Okay, value is displaying. This no need to have to edit this one. It won't work, right? Okay, keep in your mind. There if the dollar symbol F mean the value is displayed, right? Okay, here. After that, quantity, the same thing, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. You have to get the label and you have to make it as this one quantity. After that, same thing, Control C to copy, Control V to get it here. This one should be the total. Perfect. Finally, you have to get the final total. This one. This also you have to remove it. This one you have to make it as 7. Adjust the things like this. Book like this, simple your book like this. The same with the same thing, you have to get it like this. Rearrange the one, you have to simply you have to get it like this. Otherwise the data should be coming. Perfect. You have to align it right. Use the mouse key and use it. Right, perfect. Okay, perfect. You can see the preview here. This should be nice. So here what is here there are the spaces mean you have to reduce the size here. To reduce the size, the spaces has gone. You have to reduce the size like this. Spaces has gone. Right? Perfect. Right? Here we need to do another stuff is important stuff is we have to put this line here. This line we have to right simply drag like this. This one we will change it as a go to the property here, property, change it as a pen. This one. Perfect. Okay. After that, what I am going to do is here, I am going to do another stuff is here. Click on this one, that load another table. Click on this one here. We have to get you have to load the query designer. You have to load another table, sales table. Double click on this one, get it here. Now here we have to join both tables, right? So here we have to get this table above space. It asks the password. You always click OK. Every changes. This one should be inner join. You have to write inner join. Inner join. Inner. You have to write space. It asks the password again. Join. So here all the things are same. After that, what I am going to do is we have to write a keyword on keyword. Here we have to write simply what you have to write is here you have to write sales table, the sales product table. You have to this ID, sales ID, Control C copy, Control V paste it here. The same ID you have to write here on same ID equal another table, sales table. This ID we have to join like this. Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Right. This how we have to join. Where after that we have where the sales ID equaling to you have to write here is add new parameters. You have to write invoice number EINVO. This one you have to drag and drop here. Right, perfect. Right, this is how it's work. Right, this is how it's work. Right, okay, perfect. Now what I'm going to do is this is how you have to do the things. Now go to the query and check. Here it's successfully. This is the primary key. The same ID here there is foreign key. Right, perfectly it's aligned. Right. Now what I am going to do is here I am going to click OK buttons right. Now here go to the here. I need another thing is for subtotal all things you are getting here. So you have to right click. You have to create another group. Right click, add group. This one should be we have to write simple. You have to write milk. Here group name you have to write subtotal sub. You have to write sub. Any name you can put here. This one should be group following expression. Group following expression. Next, this one footer. It's coming here. Right here you have to drag these fields. All the fields are coming here. You just drag here. Subtotal. Drag here. This one should be 8. You have to change it as 8. Simple. Subtotal. This one. After that you have to get this one, this label. Control C to copy, Control V to paste it. Control C to copy, Control V to paste it. You get the copy. You have to write here is this one should be subtotal. Right, subtotal. This one should be subtotal, but align like this. It's not 8. This is also 7. You have to arrange like this. Now the same thing, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Second one, this one should be pay. Pay also you have to get it here. 7. Simply you have to get it here. After that, same thing, Control C, copy, Control V, paste. This one should be dot balance. This one also you have to get the same thing, balance here. Right, perfect. Now what I am going to see, all the stuff are same. Now if you give the preview, you enter the invoice number. What is the invoice number here? We have to give. We have to give the free invoice number here. This one. CS table invoice. If it is 6, you can check the result. Whatever. The relevant table should be loaded and see. Here. Success this one, right? Preview is success. You can see this is the print look like this. So here what I am going to do is here, go to the respector one. I need to go to the designer. I need to do another thing is invoice number. Also we have to get the sales ID, drag above here. This one should be also, we have to get it here. Size should be out 8. Width we have to, if you want to change this simply you have to write with bold, which is a bold, simply bold. Right. This one should be invoice number. You have to get the text, static text. You have to drag and drop here. Invoice number. Right, perfect. Now this code I am going to connect with this report, connect with my Java here. If you click this print in invoice, that coding should be work. So here what I am going to do is go to the sales function. So after get the sales, after display the sales complete message, we have to generate the Jasper report. So how to generate this? You have to write hash. You have to write hash map. Create the object A equal new hash map. Sorry, this is hash map. The same Control C, copy, Control V to this map. So we have to write here at the things. After that, you have to write A dot put. Here we have to write first one should be INVO. This one comes getting from here. INVO, right. Here we are getting the last insert ID as a invoice number. So Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Here we have to write. After that you have to write what I am going to do. Here Jasper design, Jasper design, Jasper report, Jasper this is sorry, Jasper design, J design equal. Here right here JRX ML loader dot loader. Here try this one, enable the add this one, right, no, this package loader dot, here write dot, we have to write load here, right here is we have to path your Jasper report path. This one Jasper report JRXML, right click, properties, click on this one. This is a path. Control C to copy this path, Control V to paste here. This is the path where you connect the Jasper report, right? That's a path, right? So after that you have to close it, right? This is not error. You have to import the try catch, right? Now that's error go away. Now here what is the design Jasper report? What is this Jasper? Jasper. We have to write Jasper. Some spelling mistake. Jasper design. Enable this, import the namespace. Right. Problem is solved. Right. So far. That's the thing we have to do. After that, what I am going to do is here. You have to write Jasper report compile. Now here you have to write is Jasper report. Jasper report. You have to write J report. You have to write Jasper compile manager dot Jasper report. What's the spelling? Jasper compile manager. You have to write the spelling here, manager wrong. That's a problem. Right. Dot compile report. Here we have to J report. It's designed. Right. Perfect. After that, what I am going to do is here. We have to write here is Jasper print. Jasper print. So J print equal Jasper fill manager dot fill report. Here we have to write this one. Fill report. We have to write this J report. Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste here. Second is A. After that, connection. Right. You have to write like this. Okay. You have to import that. This one Jasper print. Jasper print. Right. You have to import this package as well. Right. That's it. That's the thing you have to do. After that, we have to show this one Jasper report. Right. So we have Jasper view. Jasper view. Viewer dot view report here we have to write jprint. Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste J report. After that J report only. We have no need this stuff. We have to close it. Right. Now let's check whether it's working fine or not. Right. Now let's check. Now here, before you check, go to the Jasper report XML. Here XML, you have to remove it, this line, language Groovy. Select this one, backspace to remove that. Right, that's the thing you have to do. Now let's build it, build and clean. After that, open, start the program. Right here, 1 mango 1 vanilla 1. Click add buttons added, pay the bill. Right, click print invoice, sales completed. Now here you have to wait, your report should be generated. Here it generated successfully. Here your report is generated successfully with the sales number. Here all the things should be working. Strawberry, mango, vanilla, all the stuff should be displayed successfully. Here simple print receipt. If you click print, it should be printed. Right. This how you can create the simple inventory system using Milk Shop inventory system. If you have any doubt on this, you can ask me anytime. If you like my channel, please subscribe me, like me. Thank you for watching.